Lebanon was 4,000 years ago. In
4,000 years?
Yeah. The age of the stone is 4,000 years.
Okay. May bulkan ka ba?
Naka-record.
The style in English we say eclectic style. It's a picture of civilizations in one building. That's why when you see it for the first time, you ask yourself, what is this? That's the title of the eclectic style. They give it lectures in universities now about it. Okay?
Ipasa mo sa akin yung video.
All right?
Okay.
Hala, let's go to the first floor.
Ito may CD.
Oh, at least may na-mission tayo, hindi kagaya niya.
See the map?
Ah, yeah.
See, there's Baalbek, the castle here, four main cities.
And where is the site of the volcano before?
Byblos.
Ah, in Byblos.
Byblos, yes. And you have the sun, and this is Dr. Saraf, the statue, who made all this his ideas.
Dr.
Okay,
Saraf.
yeah. Go upstairs to the first floor, have a look to the ceiling concerning Lebanese heritage.
But they said before, sir, like
now
museum.
we have a picnic area.
Ah,
Okay, and we have the museum.
no, it's nice.
And during Sunday time, we open the cafe. We'll have coffee.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I've seen if there is a Maria's calendar, they are having reception here also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Have a look from here. This is water fountain, you see.
Ah, yeah.
Okay. Then you finish for the first floor, you go to the museum down. We have to go down to the museum.
Makapag-intay ba si Milan? Hindi mo kinuha yung ano mo dun.
Kinuha ko mission natin ito eh.
Hindi, yung ano.
Alin?
Pero okay. Okay lang, tingnan. Andyan lang naman siya ate. Gusto mo balikan. Hintayin ka namin ate. May sinabi ba siya manang na pwede tayong umakyat sa taas? Parang nakasarado naman yung gate.
Baba.
Walang baba yan. May baba ba dyan? Ah, mayroon pa doon. Oh. Parang dito yata. Wala. Hindi, doon yata doon. Sa kabila eh. Saan ba?
50,000 na dyan. 150,000. 150,000. May ano ko sa mission na.
Ay, paikot lang to.
Napasok na ano natin istorya.
Ito pala yung daan pababa.
Ah, ito.
Oo.
Wala rin sa ano din. Ganyan na lang. Muda-muda man. Never, at least nakita na natin, alam na natin istorya nitong Blackstone.
Ah, sabi niya, hindi ka mapapasukin daw dito?
Hanggang dito lang. Dito yata, baka meron pa dito. There is still here?
Magazine calls Human Nature Art.
Ah. Okay.
Nature of human.
The Art Nature Human daw. Museum.
Come have a look. It's done by Dr. Sharaf himself. He's a dentist. You can see his clinics here. And what he's done is
Before.
all his work. Have a look. Turn around, yes.
Ganistries.
Very hot. Ito na lang ako local.
Ng dentistry. Galing naman yung mga nito.